Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make the best baba ganoush. First, we'll roast our eggplants to perfection. Take 2 medium eggplants and pierce them all over with a fork. Then, roast them directly over an open flame or under a hot broiler. Turn them every few minutes until they are completely soft and deeply charred on all sides. This crucial step, taking about 15 to 20 minutes, infuses that wonderful smoky flavor we all love in baba ganoush. Once your eggplants are beautifully roasted, let them cool for about 10 minutes until they are easy to handle. Gently peel off the charred skin, making sure to discard it entirely. Now, transfer the soft, smoky eggplant pulp into a fine mesh sieve. This is a vital step. Allow it to drain for at least 15 minutes. Removing excess liquid prevents your baba ganoush from becoming watery, ensuring a rich and creamy texture. Now for the magic. Transfer your well-drained eggplant pulp into a medium mixing bowl. Add 1/4 cup of creamy tahini, 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and 1 finely minced garlic clove. Don't forget 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin and a generous pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. Mix everything together thoroughly with a fork or a spoon until it's beautifully smooth and all the ingredients are perfectly combined. Almost there. Give your baba ganoush a taste and adjust the salt or lemon juice if necessary to suit your preference. Transfer this delicious dip into a lovely serving bowl. For a final touch, drizzle about 1 tablespoon of high-quality extra virgin olive oil over the top. Garnish with some freshly chopped parsley and serve immediately with warm pita bread or your favorite fresh vegetables. Enjoy your homemade, perfect baba ganoush.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.